Changing your Shopify store to a mobile app is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. To change your Shopify store, you need to choose the right Shopify app builder. Not all Shopify app builders out there are equal. Some offer limited templates that make your app look boring and generic. Mobiloud is the best way to build a Shopify mobile app. It converts your actual shop store to an app, giving you apps that are 100% synced with your website. Next, you will need to optimize your site for mobile. The app you create will display content using web views. Web view is like a dedicated browser within a mobile app. It displays live version of your website's content, which is in the package of a mobile app with mobile UI elements added on top. Next, go into the Mobiloud Builder. Add your site's URL and couple more minor details. Then, set up the UI elements that are going to encase your website's content in the app. After that, set up push-up notifications. They are a big part of what makes your Shopify mobile app effective. Finish up all the small configurations in your app, such as adding login and sign-up pages to your app and automatic ratings prompts. Finally, you'll give the go-ahead for the team to ship the live version of your iOS app and Android app.